What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to force restart any iPad model. Let's say that you have an iPad which is not responding to your touch screen, or if it's stuck on a specific logo or icon, you may be in a situation where it has heated up and you simply want to force restart it just to fix a few bugs. Please note that force restarting fixes a lot of issues here related to your iPad or your iPhone model device, so you can get rid of a lot of stuff that may be blocking you from using your iPad. Let's say that you're trying to use your camera or you're trying to call somebody, but you're unable to do it due to any specific sort of error. A force restart should help you fixing in those cases. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, in order for you to perform a force restart, and by the way, please note that this doesn't delete any sort of data, you will not lose any sort of information whatsoever, and I'm going to show you how to do it in different iPad models as well. Now, in order for you to perform a force restart on a much older iPad such as mine with the physical home button in here, all you need to do is simply press and hold the physical home button along with the power button at the top. Press and hold both of the buttons combination continuously for 6 to 8 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. There we go, it's now restarting, and once you see the Apple logo, release both of the buttons combination and let your iPad turn on normally. This is essentially how you turn off an iPad with the physical home button and restart it. Now, please note that a force restart doesn't delete any data, and pretty much it simply reboots your iPhone as if it's coming from a deep sleep. It's important to enhance performance as well. Hence, I do recommend doing this every 10 to 15 days. Now, if you have a much newer iPad, for example, I'm going to show it to you on my iPhone, okay? If you have a much newer iPad which doesn't come with a physical home button in here, in order for you to perform a force restart, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how it goes: volume up, volume down, and then pressing and holding the power button continuously. You don't want to let go of the power button. Keep on pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to let go the power button and let your iPad or iPhone turn on normally. This is essentially how you perform a force restart on iPad, on any iPad model. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you found my video useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.